Ever dreamt of making serious cash without breaking a sweat? Well, buckle up because I've got the inside scoop on how you can pocket a cool $93 per hour by doing the absolute least: watching videos. In the digital era we're living in, the online money-making game has leveled up. And guess what? You're about to unlock the cheat code. There's a goldmine waiting for you on zoombucks.com, a legit and rock-solid platform that's turning chill time into major dollar signs. Picture this: you lounging on the couch, eyes glued to your screen, and cha-ching, the dollars start rolling in. It's not just a dream, it's the reality of the digital age. Zoombucks.com is your ticket to easy money, where watching videos is not just a pastime, it's your golden ticket to a financial fiesta. But hold up, I've got the deets you need to know. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Zoombucks.com, exploring how you can turn your binge-watching sessions into a cash extravaganza. It's time to kick back, relax, and let the dollars flow in. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The concept of making money by watching videos. Imagine this: getting paid a sweet $93 per hour just for chilling and watching videos. Now I know what you're thinking. Too good to be true. Well, buckle up, because with Zoombucks.com, we're turning your binge-watching skills into a legit money-making machine. Zoombucks.com is your VIP pass to an online treasure hunt, where watching jaw-dropping videos, acing surveys, and snagging cool offers transforms your chill time into a cash bonanza. No rocket science required, just pure, easy money vibes. Ready to turn your screen time into green time? Zoom in on Zoombucks.com and let the money-making fiesta begin. Before we spill the beans on the ultimate cash extravaganza, let's rap about the awesomeness that comes with raking in those greenbacks online. Imagine this: your comfiest PJs, snuggled up on the couch, and boom, cold hard cash rolling in like it's nobody's business. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a world where time dances to your tune. Now, here's the real jaw-dropper. You don't need a PhD in astrophysics to make it happen. We've got the golden ticket at Zoombucks.com, unlocking a treasure trove of money-making opportunities. And guess what? No need for fancy diplomas or ninja-level skills. From watching mind-blowing videos that'll have you going whoa, to acing surveys and snagging offers that are cooler than a polar bear in sunglasses, we've got your back. But hold up, are you ready to transform your video binges into a cash-filled fiesta? Picture this: hit play, kick back, and let the good times pay off. Ready to make $93 per hour by just chilling and watching videos? Let's dive in, my friend. Who knew making money could be this much fun? Getting started: creating an account on Zoombucks.com. Let's get this party started on Zoombucks.com. First things first, let's set you up for success. Head over to Zoombucks.com, the virtual goldmine for cashing in on your chill time. Picture this: your favorite snacks, and some serious moolah rolling in. Exciting, right? Now let's talk sign up. It's a breeze. Drop your email and whip up a password. Easy peasy. But wait, want to level up the convenience? Hit them up with your Facebook or Google Deets for a turbocharged experience. We're all about making it smooth like butter. Boom, you're in. Time to scope out the scene. Ever wonder how much you can rake in just by hitting play? Well, buckle up, because the possibilities are as wild as your imagination. Imagine turning your video binge into a cash bonanza. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Zoombucks.com is here to turn your screen time into cold, hard cash. So what are you waiting for? Get that account set up, hit play, and let the dollars roll in like it's nobody's business. Exploring the opportunities on Zoombucks.com. Zoombucks.com is your golden ticket to raking in the dough without breaking the sweat. Today, we're spilling the beans on the ultimate hustle, earning a sweet $93 per hour just by kicking back and watching videos. Imagine this: chilling on your couch, snacks in hand, and making money just by hitting play. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up, because Zoombucks.com is about to turn your lazy Sunday afternoons into a cash bonanza. Forget the snooze fest of traditional money-making methods. Zoombucks.com spices things up. Head over to the left side of the site, and guess what? You'll find the golden ticket, the watch option. Click on that bad boy, and suddenly you got a VIP pass to a video wonderland. But hold on, we're not stopping there. Zoombucks.com is like a genie that grants your money wishes. Ever thought you could make bank just by sharing your opinions? Well, buckle up because the survey section is where the magic happens. Click on surveys and voila, a treasure trove of companies ready to pay you for your thoughts. It's like being a money-making Sherlock Holmes. But instead of solving mysteries, you're cashing in on your opinions. And here's the kicker. Each survey has its own payday, so you get to choose the ones that make it rain the most. Who knew your opinions could be this lucrative? Zoombucks.com did. Supercharge your earnings with Tap Magic. So you're thinking, how can I squeeze more dough out of this video watching gig? Easy peasy. Instead of watching one video at a time, let's level up. Open multiple tabs and become the ultimate multitasking guru. Imagine watching a bunch of videos while conquering other tasks like a boss. It's like hitting the jackpot without even trying. Data saver mode, because every byte counts. Now, picture this. You're watching videos, but your data is getting a bit nervous. No worries. Switch on the data saver mode and keep the party going. Lower the video quality, save data, and watch even more videos in a flash. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Video style. Unleash the bonus tips extravaganza. Hold on to your socks, because Zoombucks.com has a secret weapon. Bonus tips that'll make your earnings skyrocket. These tips are like the hidden treasures of the internet, proven to potentially double, triple, or quadruple your cash flow in a single day. Who wouldn't want a slice of that money pie? Maximize, multiply, make it rain. By now, you're probably wondering, how do I become a Zoombucks.com superstar? Well, my friend, it's all about maximizing your potential. Follow these epic strategies, implement the bonus tips, and watch the dollars roll in like it's nobody's business. It's not just about watching videos. It's about turning your time into a money-making extravaganza. Other ways to earn money on Zoombucks.com. Sure, watching videos and rocking those surveys are the classics. But guess what? We've got a whole treasure chest of moolah waiting for you. Ever thought about diving into some sweet offers? Or how about cruising through various video categories to spice up your earning game? And wait for it. Special promotions. Anyone? Imagine this. You, a money-making ninja, exploring untapped avenues of cash flow like a pro. It's not just about the videos, my friend. It's about unlocking a whole new level of dough with every click. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What if I told you that by mixing things up a bit, you could be raking in not just the Benjamin, but the Franklin, the Hamilton, and maybe even the Lincoln every hour? So buckle up and let's make that cash register sing. Zoombucks.com is not just a platform, it's your golden ticket to a cash carnival. Now, before you dash off to become the next money-making legend, let's sum it up. Zoombucks.com is not just a website, it's your personal gold mine, your ticket to making $93 per hour without breaking a sweat. We've peeled back the layers and discovered a legit and super accessible way to pad your pockets, all from the comfort of your own space. I mean, who knew watching videos could be this profitable, right? With a user-friendly interface that even your grandma could master and a smorgasbord of earning opportunities, Zoombucks.com is basically your digital sidekick, your partner in crime for turning your downtime into prime time. So, here's the deal. Follow the steps we've spilled in this video. Soak in those bonus tips like a sponge, and you'll be counting those bills faster than you can say easy money. It's not just about watching videos. It's about turning every minute into a money-making opportunity. Get ready to ride the wave of cash because Zoombucks.com is your shortcut to financial freedom. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Tap the notification bell and join the ranks of the cash-savvy crew. Let's make that money rain, and I'll catch you on the flip side.